In this video, we're going to learn how to tie a bowline, one of the most useful knots in the whole wide world. It's simple to tie, it won't slip, and it's easy to untie even when it feels jammed. So whether you garden, drive a truck, or climb mountains, knowing how to tie a bowline is like having the Swiss Army knife of knots in your toolkit. Okay, let's do this. Today I'll show you 2 ways to tie a bowline. The classic method, which is a little slower and honestly a little tedious, and then my favorite method, which is a quick and easy way to tie it. Now, how do I know how to tie a bowline? For many years I worked on research ships and tugboats, so I've tied thousands of these knots. After I demonstrate this knot for you, I'll show you some handy applications for using a bowline in, say, the garden. So stick around for these tips. First, the classic method. To help you remember the steps, though, here's a visual to keep in mind when tying a bowline. Imagine the working end of the rope is a rabbit. Here's the working end, and this is the standing part. Make a loop into the standing part, which will act as the rabbit's hole. The rabbit comes up the hole, goes around the tree, that's the standing part, from right to left, and then back down the hole. Here's a diagram which shows you what we just did. Stop the video to take a screenshot if you like. Now I'll show you how to quickly tie a bowline. You can impress your friends with this one. Got that? Here it is in slow motion. Now, as promised, let's see how you can put the bowline to work for you in the garden. Once you see these examples, I am sure you'll come up with more ideas on your own. Attaching a rope to a bucket, hanging bird feeders, tying a quick dog leash, stringing up cucumbers and beans, hanging garlic. I hope you found this helpful. If so, give me a thumbs up, okay? Have a great rest of your week. Cheers!